So hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to add Google to your Android app using Webview in Android Studio. So let's get started. Currently I have an empty project over here and I'm going to go back to the main.xml. So you need to go to widgets and select the Webview over here. Just drag and drop. So for me the Webview is going to occupy the entire screen, so just I'm going to constrain. So it's constrained layout pretty much. So just 4 corners. So that's it. So now 4 sides are being constrained. So now we're going to add ID. So let WB be the ID. Okay, so that's it. So now we are going to go to main activity.java. So before going to main activity.java, we need to ask permission. So as we are using internet connection in this app, we need to get the permission for the internet connectivity. So for that, we need to go to app manifest and open the Android manifest file. It's pretty similar to getting connection for location. We're just going to go users permission and we're going to get the internet. So I'll just type ID and we'll get the internet connection. Just close it. So that's it, we have got the necessary connection. Just close the XML file. So now we have to go to inside the on create. So it's pretty much similar to getting reference, for edit view or text view. So we're going to get the reference of web view, capital W, web view, WEB, the variable equal to find the view by ID or dot ID dot WB. So we have found the necessary reference. So you need to refer this inside the on create. So then you need to hook. So otherwise your app will get crashed. So get the reference inside the on create function. So next we have only under 3 lines of code. So we need to get settings. Okay. So we're going to go WEB, the variable name, dot get settings and dot set JavaScript enabled. We have to pass it, ask for a boolean. So this is mainly for loading the JavaScript file. In case if you want to load in HTML files, you can do it. So it can be done with the help of JavaScript enabled. Even Google, it's built on, many websites are built on JavaScript. So you need to get this enabled. Otherwise, you won't do. Next thing, you need to get access to the client. So web variable name dot set web view client, and you have to pass the argument new capital W web view client. So that's it. So the last line of the code will be loading the required URL that you need to go. So we're going to go to web dot load URL double quotes, and inside this you're going to be, so you need to type the entire URL. So https colon backslash and the name of the domain www.google.com. So that's it. So you can also load your own HTML files or HTML code by using web the variable name dot load data. So you can directly type the code there, or you can load your HTML documents. So you can view your own created website in your mobile app. That's also done. So let me run this app. I'll connect my phone. So this is how the WebView looks inside my phone. So thanks for watching. So for more Android tutorials, please subscribe and support. Thank you.